In this video, I'll show you how to quickly duplicate a web app project in Base44. Starting from the main dashboard, I'll head over to the left sidebar where all of my current projects are listed. I've decided to create a copy of the Nexus Assets app, so I'll move my cursor over the name and click on the three-dot menu icon on the right. In the list of options that appears, I'll go ahead and select Clone App to begin the process. This brings me to a configuration screen. Once I'm ready, I'll click the Clone Nexus Assets button at the bottom of the page. Now that the cloning process is finished, I'll click the Go to Apps button to jump right into the workspace. As the editor loads, you'll see the new project name in the top left corner, clearly marked as a copy. Base44 has successfully generated this result by recreating the entire digital marketplace template, giving me a fresh start with all my previous work intact. I can now navigate through the dashboard or open the app settings to begin customizing this version immediately. It's a seamless way to scale my development workflow in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.